tonight is the night. We fight till it's over, so we're not doing that. We needed it. You want us to do it? What? I love these kids from Seattle. You even go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling ain't on us. Like the ceiling ain't on us. That's good. You'll thank me later. On the other side of the street I knew see a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true, cause you moved to West LA, New York to Santa Fe, wherever to get away from me. Oh, but that one night was more than just right. I didn't leave you, cause I was all through. Oh, I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell, cause I really fell for you. Side of a downward spiral. My love for you went viral, and I loved you every mile you drove away. Now here you are again, so let's skip to how you been and get down to the morning friends at last. Oh, but that one night is still the highlight. I didn't need you until I came to, and I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell, because I really fell for you. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by, just a shy guy looking forward to the happy bang of my love. When you move me, everything is groovy. They don't like it soon, the way you do me. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Please believe that when I leave, there's nothing up my sleeve but love for you, and a little time to get my head together too. On the other side of the street I knew still a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. They don't like it soon, the way you do me. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. Alright, let me hear you say, oh, 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 they don't like it soon.